sentence 1B is very similar to sentence 1A. In fact, the first half is the exact same as the first half of sentence 1A. So let's just go over that. So your hand position in the right hand is the same as before, and your pattern is the same as before. 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3. Okay. From there, though, we will have a new ending. So in this new ending, we will go 3, 4, 4, 1, 1, 3, 3. Let's do that again. So middle finger first, middle, stepping up, leaping down to the bottom finger, repeating that, back to the middle, repeat. Middle, step up, repeat, bottom, repeat, middle, repeat. Same position. Middle, step up, repeat, bottom, repeat, middle, repeat. All right. Putting that together, sentence 1B, right hand.